Now, I absolutely love this colour combination. This car is delivery miles, Range Rover D300 edition. And I'll tell you a little bit about what the edition gives you. But this car's, for me, is the colour combination. Exterior colour, that luxury Belgravia Green Metallic. Then it's got the Perlino leather inside, so the colour combo's beautiful. The edition. So what the edition is a model that Land Rover have produced that they've put the key extras, the key elements that customers want on a new model Range Rover. So that's wheels, 23-inch wheels, shadow exterior, sliding sunroof, gloss black grand veneer inside, the little things that you would want when you're speccing one of these cars, but not having to go to the level of an autobiography. It's done delivery miles, you've got 3 years Land Rover warranty and assist. Call me if you want to get it reserved, because Belgravia with Perlino are gone like that. 23-inch wheels, part of the edition, they're in gloss black. You've got the black skirts across the bottom there. You can see the roof's tilted, sliding sunroof. Again, that is an extra, you don't normally get them, but on an edition it comes with it. Lovely privacy glass at the back. And then as we move round, you've got a beautiful styling into the rear bumper, then wonderful LED lights, and just all that luxury that you get on a big Range Rover. 300 brake horsepower diesel, huge boot space, split folding tailgate, all them seats are electronically adjustable. You can see that lovely cabin with the seats in Perlino. There's also something on this car which I personally like. So the car's got Perlino leather inside, but inside it's got ebony roof lining. So the roof lining's darker, which I prefer, because I think sometimes the roof lining can get marked and it can sometimes just look a little bit rough as it maybe gets a little bit older in its time. Look at this inside. You've got your deployable door handles, you've got soft closed doors, you've got four-wheel steering, and then you've got this beautiful interior. So Perlino leather into the door cards, Meridian Sound, that's the gloss black grand veneer. There's your adjustable rear electric seats. And then you can see inside you've got your cabin lighting. You've got your ebony roof lining with a sliding sunroof. And I actually think even then, the back, it's still got the stickers over the climate control. And then as we move into the front, again, beautiful interior, gloss black grand veneer, memory, Meridian, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, tilt and sliding sunroof. Steering wheel is all in ebony as well, but the centre section's in Perlino, which is lovely. Obviously that's heated, as I've just mentioned. New models, so you've got the big screen without the dials underneath. Other little features, you've got wireless charging, there's lots more storage there. And then I'll just show you some of the other features. So, camera system, I always like to show this on a Range Rover. You've got park assist and 3D camera system, which again is absolutely superb. Your seats, so you've got heated seats in the front, and you've got the same in the rear, which you would expect on a car like this. And then other things, so you've got your Android Auto, your wireless Apple CarPlay, your park assist I've mentioned, all your new driver assistance. There's new little logos going on the new model Range Rover. So these are all things which are added. So that's obviously your guide, so it's all digital now. Your health is a new one. You've got your Alexa, which is still pretty common. You've got wireless charging under there. Car's done a couple of 100 miles. Belgravia Perlino. Call me if you want to get it reserved. It's going to go live on all our platforms. That's a D300 edition in a fantastic colour combination.